First, open your Figma, then go to the Figma community and find the marker plugin. Here you can find some ready-made email templates ready to export from Figma to HubSpot. So let's duplicate one of them. In this template, you can find some ready-made email templates made with some blocks like header, text block, and some cards and footer. So every email template has require HubSpot tags like so with unsubscribe link. The next step is to install the marker email generated Figma plugin. So let's try to run the plugin. Then select any template like this, then click on the preview. Here you can see how your template would look on different width, such as mobile and desktop, even in dark mode. So the next step is to click on the export, select export as HubSpot, and click on copy email code. Then go to your HubSpot dashboard, then go to the content and design manager. Click on create a file, select HTML plus Hub option, then next, and select an email option and add some name. Then you can paste your code from Figma, click publish, then go to marketing and email, create a new email, select regular option, switch to the custom tab and select your exported template. Here you can preview your email, and then as a next step, let's try to preview and test how it will look on different email inboxes such as Gmail or Outlook. As you can see, let's try to check Outlook. As you can see, email looks perfectly, even legacy version of Outlook, Gmail, mobile version, and all other email clients too. So I hope it was helpful. All the links will be in the description to the plugin and to the email template.